So, good day mga kabaro, mga kataktik. Again, this is Captain Nolly at your side. Let me demonstrate po sa inyo yung aking pag-compute ng ETA, the fastest way using the calculator. Okay, yung non-stop or continuous by calculator. Okay, so sa example given po natin, ang estimated departure date and time po is 20 October, alas 12 ng tanghali. That is local time. And then, ang mga given natin is distance. Okay. 9539 decimal 4. Speed is 40 knots. Departure zone description sa Niigata, Japan is -9. Arrival zone description sa San Antonio, Chile is +3 or west. Okay? So, ang formula natin is distance divided by speed plus departure zone description minus arrival zone description. Then, may nakalimutan ako rito. I-divide natin sa 24. Then, tsaka natin i-plus yung departure date and time. Okay? Please be noted, sa departure zone description and arrival, i-apply po natin yung sign. Huwag pong kakalimutan. Okay? So, the distance, example, is from Niigata, Japan, papuntang San Antonio, Chile. Okay? So, i-apply po natin yung formula. Base dito. Okay? 9539 decimal 4 divided by 14 is equals to 681 decimal 385. Okay? I-plus natin yung zone description arrival and i-minus natin yung zone description i-plus natin yung zone description departure and i-minus natin yung zone description arrival. So the result, ito po, no? 669 decimal 385. Then, i-divide natin yung 24. Ito po, divided by 24. The steaming days is about 27 days, 891, decimal 891. Okay? Yun po. Then, i-plus po raw natin yung departure date and time. The result is, yung yung date and time, so, time is 1200 or alas 12 ng tanghali divided by 24, kaya magiging 0.5. So, October 20, 0.5. Ipa-plus po natin yan. The result is 48.391. So, since wala namang petsa na 48 or 48, ang October po natin is merong 31 days. That's why magma-minus tayo ng 31. So, ang arrival na po sa San Antonio, Chile is petsa 17 ng November. Okay? Then, ima-minus natin. So, date is 17. Ima-minus natin yung 17 para lumabas yung oras. Kaya lang, ang oras po raw lumabas is decimal 391 in decimal form. Para maging oras siya, i-multiply natin sa 24 hours. Kaya mangyayari, ang oras is alas 9. Okay? Meron na naman siyang decimal. Ima-minus natin yung 9, makukuha natin yung minutes in decimal forms. No? Para maging minutes, i-multiply natin sa 60. Magiging 23 minutes. So, ang arrival date po raw is November 17, alas 9:23. Okay po. So, let's proceed. Gamitin natin ang calculator. Okay. Example is 9539 decimal 4 divided by 14 knots equals. Lagi tayo mag-i-equals. Okay. So, the result is 681,385. Ayun po yun. No? Then, ang sabi is plus departures and description plus. Don't forget to apply the negative sign. Negative, okay, equals minus arrival zone description. Ayan, balik natin. 3. So, positive equals 669. Okay po. Ayan, 669,385. Nandun po sa kabila, 669,385. Okay. And, ang sabi dito, divided by 24. Divided by 24 equals 27 days, 8.891. Okay po. And then, i-plus natin yung departure, date, and time. Local time, which is October 20, alas 12 ng tanghali. So, plus natin, plus October 20, yung 0.5 is tanghali. No? Equals 48. Ano po? So, since walang November 48, gagawin natin minus 31 kasi ang October is merong 31 days. Minus 31. So, ang arrival na po natin is November 17. So, meron siyang decimal. Yung decimal na yun, yung oras tsaka minutes. So, minus 17. Yan. So, 30 na, ito yung oras, decimal form. Para maging hours siya, or oras, times 24. Okay? So, alas 9 po. Okay? May decimal pa rin, that is minutes. So, ima-minus natin yung 9 equals, so, ito yung minutes. Naka-decimal form. So, para maging minutes siya, times 60. So, equals 23 minutes. So, parehas pa rin po dito. Arrive tayo is November 17, alas 9:23 ng November 17. So, ganun lang po kadali ang pag-compute ng ETA using calculator. Okay? So, please be noted lang po na huwag makakalimutan i-apply ang dito, ang sign ng zone description. Okay po? Regardless tumaan ng IDL yan o IDL yan, ganun pa rin po ang result. Okay? So, that's all mga kabaro, mga kataktik. Comment lang po kung meron kayong mas mabilis pang way how to calculate the ETA. Okay? So, again, this is Captain Nolly. God bless and may your dreams come true. Good day po and thank you.